In the previous class, I have given some results as these 4 results. Okay, the number of straight line which can be formed from n collinear points is NC2. Also, of which r points are collinear, then the number will be the number of straight line will be NC2 minus RC2 plus 1. Also, the number of triangle is NC3, and of which r points are collinear, then NC3 minus RC3. Okay, so today I will discuss some example about this result. Okay, first example is how many straight line can be formed by joining the 7 points, of which 4 points are collinear. This question can be compared to this result to the number of straight line can be made by joining n points, of which r points are collinear. Here the number of point is given 7 points, and of which 4 points are collinear. So by this previous result 2, the required number of straight line will be 7C2 minus 4C2 plus 1, which will be 16. Okay. Second example is how many diagonals are there in a polygon with n sides. Okay. So what is polygon? Polygon is a geometrical figure which have n sides. So as an example, we can say the 3-sided polygon. Okay, the example of 3-sided polygon is triangle. The triangle have 3 sides. Okay, so the quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. Also, pentagon is a 5-sided polygon. The 6-sided polygon is hexagon, and so on. Okay, so the polygon, the geometrical figure which have n side is called the polygon with n sides. Okay. Now, as the polygon of n sides is given, so the polygon has n side. So correspondingly, the polygon has n corner points, of which all are non-collinear. So we can find the number of straight line of these n points, joining of these n points is NC2. Okay. So, but we have to find the number of diagonals. The diagonals is the joining of line segment joining the points, opposite points. Okay, not corresponding or adjacent points, the opposite points of a polygon. So as we have to find the number of diagonals, so we can see an example. Say a pentagon. Okay, number of diagonals. So the opposite points can be joined by these ways. Okay, so many diagonals can be found. So this straight line also included. So here we have find the number of straight line is NC2, but this NC2 contains the number of sides of the polygon also. Okay, as we have to find the number of diagonals, so the number of sides have to be subtracted from this NC2 numbers. Okay, but in this NC2 lines, n lines are sides of the polygon, hence the required number of diagonals is NC2 minus n. Now this result can be used, this result NC2 minus n can be used as a theory also. Such an example I have given to homework. A polygon has 44 diagonals. Find the number of its sides. So number of sides is not given. We can take it as number of sides is n. So number of diagonals will be NC2 minus n, which will be 44. So then solve this equation. You can find the number of sides. Try it. Okay. Also, I have given a second homework, which is find the number of diagonals of the polygon with 10 sides. Okay. Another example, in how many ways can a committee of 5 be formed from 4 professors and 6 students so as to include at least 2 professors? These examples is corresponding to the first classes first classes theories. Okay, so the question is given that in how many ways can a committee of 5 be formed from 4 professor and 6 students so as to include at least 2 professor. Okay, so a committee has to formed from 5 members, okay, in which 2 professor must include. Also at least, it is said at least 2 professor. So 2 professor or more than 2 professor can be included. So there are 3 cases arises. First cases is 2 professor and 3 student can be taken. Also 3 professor plus 2 students can be taken. Also 4 professor and 1 student can be taken. For case 1, 2 professor can be selected from 4 professor in 4C2 ways. Okay, in each of these 4C2 ways, in each of these 4C2 ways, 3 students can be selected from 6 students in 6C3 ways. The total number of ways will be 4C2 into 6C3. Similarly, for case 2, the total number of ways will be as 3 professor and 2 student is given. 3 professor can be selected from 4 professor is 4C3, and 2 student can be selected from 6 student is 6C2. And for case 3, the total number of ways will be 4C4 and 6C1. Thus, the required total number of committee will be the value of the 3 cases will be sum of, which is 4C2 plus 6C3 plus 4C3 plus 6C2 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. After calculating these values, we get 186. Okay. Second example, a person has got 15 friends, of which 10 are relatives. In how many ways may he invite 9 guests so that 7 of them would be relatives? So there are total 15 number of friends is given, of which 10 are relatives. So number of relatives is 10. The number of non-relative will be 15 minus 10 equals to 5. So we have to select 9 guests, out of which 7 will be relative. So if we consider the relatives, then 7 relatives can be selected from 10 relatives is 10C7 ways. Okay. So the remaining 9 minus 7, 2 guests can be selected from 5 non-relatives in 5C2 ways. Thus, the required number of ways will be 10C7 into 5C2. And calculating this, we get the 1200 ways. Okay. I have given 2 homeworks. Try it at home. The answer of these homeworks will be given in the next class.